Greetings to all you people across the world. This is Makosonke TV. I welcome you all. Please do subscribe, share, like, and follow, so that the greater number of people can come and interact here. So it's an honor for me again and the privilege to be here on this channel at this very time. So I'm just saying good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where and what time I'm watching the video. Now, I'm here today or on this very time to talk about Abalozi Basentabeni, which I can call the whistle ancestor. I have some much more videos langa pants, of which I was explaining furthermore about Abalozi. Now I've got another session Abalozi Basentabeni, which I have to explain the difference from those in the water and that one that are living in the mountain. So they are not similar, they are not the same, so they are acting differently, and even on our bodies they come and interact in a different manner. Now I just want to give you some kind of knowledge around this thing, Yabalozi Basentabeni, because they're acting in a different manner and in a violent manner. Now I feel like so I need to bring some just some little clarity on this one. Sorry, my bad. Now listen very carefully. Abalozi Basentabeni, so it's a whistle ancestor. Those Abalozi Basentabeni bahlambuluke kakhulu, ingangithi idlozi elihlambulukile. It's not per se like idlozi, but kusuke kuhamabuthi labahlambuluke kakhulu abahlala entabeni. So they only reside entabeni, abayifuni enye indawo because bakholwa lo ukuthi ihlambuluke kakhulu. Ingako noJesu noma uNkulunkulu waye entabeni. Nganzethongo ngingamoshiki isikhathi kakhulu. Abalozi labasentabeni bakhuluma ngempempe, that twi sound. Abalozi labo basentabeni bayakwazi nokublock indlebe when you are feeling like your ears are being blocked, and then this twi sound, it whispers in your ears. So abalozi labo, and then labalozi laba futhi baletha amaphupho ngayo ngendlela right. So those dreams are just vivid, you cannot see them like clearly. So amaphupho amaningi abalozi basuke bawaletha kanjalo, but suke kuyibona bayavala kakhulu amadlebe akhala impempe. Kube namadrama wezwa amadlebeni, but umuntu uzama ukuxika, uyazi ukuthi ngathi azikho futhi lale kodwa nyazizwe. It's abalozi futhi again, because they are trying to communicate with you, abalozi labasentabeni. That's what I'm going to talk about namhlanje, abalozi basentabeni. So it's a good class. Now listen, nganzethonga labalozi laba basentabeni njoba ngithi abashaya amakhwele, into abayaziyo bona kakhulu noma abayazi 100% yimpi. That's what they know, because these whistles that they are blowing there in the mountain is the whistle to make sure ukuthi they are going on that way, or they are running around there in the mountain trying ukulwa nesitha sabo, because abantu abalwayo. Those are the warriors, they're carrying imkhonto amahawu. So abalozi laba amabutho inhlanganisela yalabo bantu labahlangene abayimbumba kuleyo ndawo leyo. Now basuke bedida isitha sabo. So ilanguage abayaziyo bona banekhodi yabo, ikhodi yokulwa. That's what they know, ukulwa. So now abalozi, that is why when they came to you beza ngenkinga, abalozi isikhathi esiningi njobe basuke becommunicate nathi, bablock amadlebe, bakhalisa impempe, basuke bekhuluma nathi. Now mabebona ukuthi vele akwazi ukuthi ubezwe noma awubanakile, depending ukuthi uyingane njani kubona. Ma ukuthi lawo balozi labo njengoba kuwabalozi basentabeni umuntu obangabanakile, into eyenza ukuthi bakhubaze noma bashaya impilo noma babhidlise impilo yakho, ingoba laba basentabeni abafani nabasemanzini. Laba sentabeni beze ngekuzosebenza, banethuluzi ababelisebenzisa bazosebenza. Laba sentabeni abafani nabasemanzini. Now when wena umuntu onigeta isipho sabo noma ungabanaki. Amaphupho vele ngeke bawaveze kakhulu, so bazuza ngokudlodlomela. Before ngiye lapho, abalozi kakhulu indlela abacommunicate ngayo uzozwa abantu bekhuluma la. Kanjani? Mawulele uzwa abantu bekhuluma la emadlebeni akho. Number 2, uyozwa inyoni, like ulele uzibone nazi inyoni ngokukhalabaza ngokuhlukahlukana kwazo, inyoni uzibone ngephupho, but physically isuke ikhala ophahleni lwendlu. Abalozi lapho suke sebehamba nawe bekhona. Now bakhala nje, babonakala ngenyoni nje, bakhombisa ukuthi now we are here, we need to speak to you, and they are not begging, they have to speak to you forcefully, so violently, so abazi kuzokuncela. Bakhulume ngamaphimbo uzwe ukuthi umkhulu okhulumile kodwa umkhulu but azange ngimbone, but I heard a voice. Abalozi labo, right? Omunye uzozwa ivoice kagogo. Yes, ikhona inhlanganisela yezalukwazi uthi uziyabalozi ngqo pure. So now mabebona ukuthi still awunaki mabevela ngamaphupho akho, awunaki mabekutshela izinto, another sign ezokwenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi ibona. Remember, the code they know is to be violent, is to fight. This the language that they know. What they gonna do now? Bazokwenza sure ukuthi uyalimala. Kanjani? Bayakwazi ukuthi bakhombise ushawa abantu ephushweni, uthotha abantu, uyabona khona nabantu babili bayakushaya. Abalozi bayakwazi ukuvela ukuthi bazokushaya ngephupho. Now uma bengaveli ngayo yonke lento engichazile, bavela physically. Kanjani-ke? Uzoba umuntu onenkinga relationship wise, uzoba umuntu onenkinga emsebenzini, uthotha abelungu bafuna ukuxosha, uzoba nezitho eziningi la khona uthola ukuthi abantu bafuna ukuxabana nawe, abanye bafuna ukukugwaza. Uzoba umuntu ozojahwa amaphoyisa kakhulu, uzoba umuntu ojahwa yinkabi, uthi uma ubheka ubuyele emuva, I haven't done anything kulabantu, so bafunani. So that's how it's the language they know ukuthi they have to ukudlodlomela, to be violent, and into efike bebuhlungu, they are violent enganeni yabo. Kuwena usuke bekuzalile, they are violent so kuwena. Why ngisho nje? Ngikhumbula kahle ngimanzini, ngafike ngaphahla emanzini, ngakhuleka ngenza yonke into yabantu abadala. Mangibuyele emuva ngingena ekhaya, wathi ugogo awenzele umkhulu utshwala babo noma ijuba, bathelele ijuba. Ngalikhona vele endlini, ngathi okay gogo, ngaphazamiseka, zange sakwazi ukwenza lokho. Kuthe ebusuku ngabona bephethe imkhonto bemile, mabephethe imkhonto bajika bahamba. Ngibuza ugogo ukuthi gogo kwenze njani? Wangiphendula ugogo wathi abalozi bahambile, bathe awuzange bayithole utshwala babo bethe abathe babekele bona. Hawu kanjani gogo? Ugogo angichazele ukuthi cha mntana, mabalozi laba, amakhehla laba, mabeshiya into abayiceli bayisho. So nje basekunje badubile bahambile. Mangibheka iphupho elilandelayo, ngibona umgwaqo uyabona umgwaqo ovandaliziwe, a vandalized road, umgwaqo damaged. Mangibheka umgwaqo ubulewe la, ngibuza ugogo yini? Uthi hayi batelekile mfana wami, batelekile, bathi ngebaseza kuwena, bavala indlela zakho zonke. Hawu kanjani? Bathi azange bawuthole ubhiya wabo lapha eMsango. Hawu gogo badingani? Ngisiza ugogo njalo. Uthi hayi bathi badinga imbuzi, bangenze ngembuzi, bahambile basedabeni. Just imagine, ngokuthi azange ngikwenze umqombothi wabo omncane ngiphathelele eMsango, uthi badubile badinga ukubuswa ngembuzi. Abalozi, they are not here to beg you. They will never do so. Even if uyingane right, ngingane nje mina emhlophe ehlabukile, but they will never beg you. They will never come and kneel down before you and beg you. Those are not beggars. Those are they just tell you ukuthi badinga ukuthi ngesikhathi esithize. Even if you didn't do that, they're gonna mess up your life. So babuhlungu ngaleyo ndlela abalozi basentabeni. They are quick to act. Bakushaya manje and abancengi ababuyi futhi baxolise, ayikho into abayixolisayo. Babekushaya bakushayele futhi abanandaba nawe. Enye into futhi ekhombisa ukuthi abalozi basentabeni uhamba nabo, mase uhamba nabo suwazi bakhona, abakwazi ukubuya bezokutshela mawubezela umsebenzi bathi umsebenzi uright. Cha, bahamba kakhulu futhi ne-intuition yakho mawuhamba nabo it's more high. Lento usuke uyicabanga usuke iyona ufuna ukuyenza. Isikhathi esiningi abafiki ngamaphupho, bafika through intuition. Lapho uzoza uthi yazi ukuthi angenza ukuthi, you have to do it. Ufike intuition izokutshela uthenge umqhele, uthenge khonto efike ikutshele. So they are basically they forming you lapho, they are forming you ukuthi your intuition must be aligned nawe. Into mawuyizwa ukuthi iyona le uyenze and uyithembe leyo nto ngosuke iyona. That's how abalusi operate, they are deeply so nganethongo ngikunika lama video lawa ukuthi ungabi umntwana odidekayo. Labalusi laba basentabeni khona imicimbi abenzelwa yona, but before benzele imicimbi kunezinto ababezenza entabeni. Abanye balimala lapha entabeni ngoba phela khona impi. Uthole lowo makhehla wageziwe, kuba inkinga-ke ngoba la makhehla ubuhlungu kakhulu, kufuneka egcine walandile. So abalusi basemanzini nabasentabeni they operate in different ways. So those that live in mountain, you're supposed to go and fetch them. Uyabalanda labasentabeni kwamakhehla ngey'khathi ey'thize, hayi noma isiphi isikhathi. Ubalande ubafake ekhaya, ubageze, ubahlambulule, bahlale ngokuthula-ke. Niyangizwa? So kuwumsebenzi ojule kakhulu lo, kudinga umuntu vele ozobe nabaluzi naye abasebenzayo. Labaluzi engikhuluma ngabo abaluzi bokusebenza, hhayi laba enhlanhla. Laba sentabeni baphethe umsebenzi, kunezinto abaziphethe. Kuyenzeka baphathe isikhwama, kuyenzeka baphathe umsebenzi omkhulu, kuyenzeka baphathe iy'khwama ezimhlophe, kuyenzeka baphathe iy'khwama ezimnyama, kuyenzeka baphathe iy'khwama zempilo, depending ukuthi yini abakuphathele yona. So wena ufuna ukubona konke lokhu baphetheni. Abaluzi laba engikhuluma ngabo, the mountain one. So ngithi anginikeze lamaklasi lawa ngoba ngiyazi abalulekile and azonisiza. So ungakwazi ukushayela ngabaluzi, sikiphe lolo lwazi oluncane suke sinalo, noma uthole ulwazi la kumavidiyo umkhuluphile siwafaka regarding abaluzi usizakale. You need not to come to me, uyakwazi ukusizakala ngamavidiyo and carry on with your life. Ngiyamthanda umuntu onjalo, ungezi kumina. Abaluzi bayalungisela kunendlela abenzela ngayo. So ungahambi usifaka noma kuphi. Abaluzi bayakwazi ukufaka endaweni e-wrong bathulela. They just want to mess up your life because ngeke bakuncenga. Abazi ukuzokuncenga lapha. So ungazoncike kogogo ukuthi hayi kula makhehla, khohlwa mnganami, ngeke ulunge khohlwa, alifakwa lapha. So nganethongo ngithi nginibikele lokho nje manje. Labaluzi laba uyakwazi ukuthi ube umuntu wentaba, ukhuleke, uthandaze, uhamba amanzi. Kodwa nakhona kubalulekile ukuthi ubalalela. Mase befikile, khulunywa elinye udaba. Ngiyathokoza ngazo msamo, ngizophinde ngikhiphe amanye amavidiyo nizokwazi ukuthi nithole ukukhanyiseleka. Ngiyathokoza makhosi amakhulu akwanda. Inhlobo enkulu.